First, let's look into what are the setups we have to do for running a robot framework. As I said already, robot framework can be run using both Python or Java. But in this course, we are going to look into how to use robot framework with Python. So let me go through the process of what are the softwares that are required to install robot framework and what is the IDE we are going to use. The first requirement is the interpreter, that is the Python or Java, which language we are going to use. As we are using Python, let's install Python. Okay, let me go to the Python download page. I will provide this link as well, but you can just search for Python and you can download the Python installer. I am using the Windows operating system, so I am downloading the one for Windows. If you are using Linux or Mac OS, you can download specific files. Let me download the Python 3.8.5, that is the latest version. But there are a lot other versions as well, like 3.7, 3.6 also, so you can use any version. The latest version is Python 3.8.5. Also, in a single laptop, you can install multiple versions of Python. So Python allows this capability. If you have used already Java, you might know Java SDK also you can install multiple versions. Similarly, Python allows. So let me check what version of Python is already available in my system. So I have Python 3.7.3. This is installed and the path variable is created. This time let's install Python 3.8 and let's look in the command prompt. First, let me go to the page, download the 3.8.5. The exe is downloaded. Let me just run it. It opens the installer. Let me provide just install with whatever properties it is coming. So I am not going to customize anything. Also, you can here itself select add Python 3.8 to the path variable. So the path variable will be automatically created. You don't have to go and set the path variable. Install now. It's installing the Python interpreter. I may forward this video till the installation completes because the Python installation may take some time. So I will just fast forward. Okay, now you have to select this disable path length limit. That is nothing but some system properties will be changed to include the path to the system variables. Just click it. If you don't want, you can go directly and also change the path. Let me show how to do that as well. Yes. So the path variable is created. Let's close this. Okay, now the path variable is also set, but our path variable will have two Python versions. So as we are going to use the Python 3.8, let's go and change it. I am opening the Windows properties, advanced system settings, environment variables, and if you go to the path, you can open it. You can see here the Python 3.8 is added to the path variable. We also have Python 3.7. As we are going to use the latest version, let's delete this as of now. Delete. Delete. Okay. Now let's give OK. Let's go to the command line. Let me provide Python. You can see the Python 3.8.5 is installed and the path variable is changed. Now the first setup is done. We have installed the Python latest version.